fluff board. And you're going to kind of roughly determine where you want that to go. And with it flat, it's super easy because you can see it all on a flat dimension. So probably right about there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that down into the frame. Let's see. There we go. And there you go. You know, pipe cleaners and that natural fabric mesh. Okay. Now we're doing the same thing. So even if this was staggered, I prefer to do the same thing. Grab the tops, open them up. Here's top. We're going to go opposite. There we go. Go around, pop those up, move them around wherever you'd like the colors to be displayed. Up, up, up. Trying to find the other one. 1, 2, oh, there we go. 3. Okay. Spin it around. And now we're going to fluff from this side. And I put my Merry Christmas on backwards. Look, that's all upside down. So, I'm going to reach under here. And I'm simply going to turn it so that the Merry Christmas part comes out. There we go. Now we can refluff. Look, it all refluffed itself. No, that was just from the other side. Open, open, open. Basically, it's just find the loops and open the loops up. So we want to pull this over. Here's our loop. There we go. Oop, oop, oop. Make sure Merry Christmas is where that is. Then we gotta open the back ones up. So let me spin this around. Open, 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 open. Open. Ribbons. Ribbon. Trying to position this where I want it to, where its final resting place will be.
Jill, the mesh is from Craft Outlet.
There we go.
And says that's exactly how I fluff my bows on the wreath.
On the wreath, absolutely. And that's the way I did it for a very long time, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. So now, everything is in the right spot.
Happy 48th early anniversary, Rita.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
There we go. We've got our overly clingy mesh. I'm going to pull this forward because I want the tails to kind of do a little squared frame. Like that. Still want to be able to see all the writing. It's just getting hung up on the smallest little threads on the sign. Okay, now I gotta fix these because I smashed them. Putting bow in. There you go. So now it's time to embellish. So technically you could stop here and that's fine. embellishment is just like, what can I add to pull different elements into the sign? Well, I already said that I was going to use scatters and fillers because these are inexpensive, especially if you get them from the Dollar Tree. So these are just little styrofoam balls that slide directly on to the ends of your pipe.